Today I'm gonna show you how to real quickly change where your self coordinates are, and there's an extra feature that you can set it to. So we're gonna go up to the toolbar to the overflow menu, and then we're gonna come down to settings. And then what I want you to do is come over to control preferences. And then if you notice, probably down about 5 or 6, you'll see additional self-coordinate controls. We're going to click on that. And then what I want you to concentrate on is in the middle there, it says tap coordinate action. And you can set it to do nothing. Right now I have it set at pan to self. So what that does is if you're not looking at yourself and you want to get to yourself quickly, you just hit it. But that's useless, honestly, because the other function is you can just hit your back button twice, and that's going to pan to you. So what I like to do is change it to so it changes the coordinates. The great thing about this is as you come out, and you notice in the bottom right, I'm in MGRS. But if I click on it, it then cycles to degrees decimal, degrees minute, degrees minute seconds, UTM, and then I click it again and it'll change it back to MGRS, which was my original coordinates. Also to note about this, if you have any points dropped or anything like that and you have those pulled up, as you click through there, it will change those coordinates as well.